take you for a brief tour around the Massey 50B2/4. It's a four-wheel drive. The front bucket is kind of hinged. It opens so it works as a grab. That's the hinge point there for the front bit, and it's powered by two big ramps at the back. I've just got the lights working, so the headlamps are on there. I've just done the horn, which is working now. I'm working on the side lights. They're on. The bulb on this side is the wrong bulb. That's an indicator bulb. It's 21 watts, it should be 5, so I'll change that. The wiring is a right mess, but this is how they did it in 1982. I've got some temporary connectors, you can see there, and here, fault finding. This is the horn push, it's hanging on a wire at the moment. Oops, need the key on. There we go. And that's an indicator light that I use to test the circuit with. It's just a number plate light with a piece of tatty wire. It's good enough for 12 volt tests. You can find out a lot of things with just a bulb and a wire. The bonnet's off. That needs spraying. Fuel tank is there. The fuel tank sender isn't working, so I think I'm going to have to change this bit, undo the bolts, unclip these wires and change the sender, so then the fuel gauge will work. I've got volts on it, so there shouldn't be a problem there. Bit of rust on it, but no big deal. Piece of cake really to mend. This year I'm going to just put filler on it because I'm running a bit tight to do a vintage rally with this tractor. I painted the wheels previously. Take you around the back. You see I've got the side lights working and the indicator. I'm going to show you the number plate really. Got a bit of a weep, an oil leak in this ram. There's a seal well on the way out there. All of this is wet with oil. It's quite expensive to lose oil from a digger. Oh, in the background that's a standard Fortune. That's a Ferguson with a seized up engine. Rain went down the exhaust pipe. And there's the other light. So I want to work on the working lights, the top ones there, front and back. And yeah, enjoying it so far. Bye for now.